How to log in Home Bargain Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log in Home Bargain Careers. Login in Home Bargains Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser. Open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Brave, etc. Navigate to Home Bargains Career login page. In the address bar, type in Home Bargain Career login and enter. Access the login section. Look for the sign in or login button. This is typically located at top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Enter your credential. In the username or email field, enter the email address associated with your Home Bargains Career and enter your password in the provided field. Click on the sign in button to proceed. Two-factor authentication if enabled. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your registered mobile phone or email. Access Home Bargain Career dashboard. After successfully logged in, you will be directed to your Home Bargain Career dashboard. From here, you can access various features including job application, profile information, and other career resources. That's it. Now you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. Also hit the subscribe button for more tutorials.